Capricorn, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang energies ng inyong kaperahan for March 2026. So, money, career, finances. We will see the energies. So, this is a general reading. Pwede ka makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Just take what resonates. And another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. So, mag-ingat sa mga fake accounts and scammers. If you're interested in private reading, go to my website, mrqueenph.com. Andun lahat ng information. Or you can book directly sa aking calendar. Yung link nasa description or sa comment section. Okay, Capricorn, let's see. What's the energy ng kaperahan ng mga Capricorn? March 2026. Uy, wow. Oh. Ito na talaga, Capricorn, ang simula. Simula ng pag-ani, o 'di ba? Siyempre, may aanihin kapag may itinanim, 'di ba? Oo. So you have Tiwas. Tiwas is the sun. This is leadership. This is liwanag. Ito na, better days are coming for you, Capricorn. In your career, in your finances, yung stock energy, yung obstacles, natatanggal na yan. So, ngayong March, you will have more opportunities coming in para sa inyo. This can also be a leadership role for you, may promotion sa work, or kumbaga ikaw yung magiging leader ng sarili mong career na you don't have to work for other people. So, pwedeng ikaw ay may magtatayo ng sarili mong business o kaya you are going to be self-employed. Meron kang i-share na knowledge or skills mo wherein pwede mo siyang pagkakitaan. Ayan. And also, Tiwas is about victory and courage. So, yung lakas ng loob mo, yun yung magdadala sa'yo sa tagumpay. And then you have, harvest, no? Yera. So, Yera is about harvesting what you have planted. So, yung iba sa inyo, literal, kung kayo nagtanim ng kung ano-ano, nagtanim kayo ng halaman o kaya ng mga fruit-bearing trees. So, this is the time that you are harvesting that. Yung mga bunga. Or ito yung rewards ng mga pinaghirapan mo. You are finally seeing it. 'Di ba? Andun na. Tapos may Fehu. Oh my God, this is my favorite rune. Fehu. Fehu is of course about prosperity, wealth, generosity. So, some of you, you're going to be more generous kasi mas marami kang i-share, 'di ba? Ganun naman mga Capricorn, kapag meron sila, they are very much willing to share. Lalo na kapag na-appreciate sila. Pero pag hindi na sila na-appreciate, kahit generous sila, wala, hindi na sila magbibigay. Oo. So, yeah. So, for some of you, Capricorn, eto na yon. Eto na yung hinihintay nyong break. Like, you will have more opportunities. And parang, alam mo yung parang, mabilis lang yung mga, yung mga minamanifest mo or yung mga resulta na gusto mong makuha, nakukuha mo kaagad. You don't have to wait for a long time. Let's see. Safe home. Wow. So, some of you, maaring meron kayong mga ini-improve sa bahay ninyo. Merong renovation, expansion ng home, or may mga ini-install kayo, something to do with safety, or para sa kaayusan ng bahay ninyo. Yung iba, may mga bagong gamit to make your stay sa home nyo more comfortable. Parang have a comfortable life or comfortable home life, family life. Some of you naman may opportunity to learn, to study. So kung meron kang mga ginugol sa sarili mo na kailangan mong aralin, gagawin mo na yan. Papatuloy mo na yan kung medyo na delay nung mga nakaraang buwan. And then you will be more authentic and true to yourself about what you really want, what you think. Kumbaga, sorry not sorry, 'di ba? You said what you said. Ganon. Na alam mo naman kung totoo yung sinasabi mo. And you will not feel sorry about it kahit na meron kang masasaktan. As long as totoo, no, nagpapakatotoo ka. Yun naman ang dyan, importante na yung message mo na naibibigay mo or napaparating mo with authenticity, even if may mga times na pwedeng masaktan yung iba, pero 'di ba sabi nga, the truth hurts. Okay, you have the Six of Cups. Some of you, kung may mga anak kayo, focus kayo sa inyong mga anak. There's also an energy of the past. Some of you, this is release ng past. So, pwede kasing kahit na wala na kayong connection ng past mo, like physically, or you don't talk anymore, but the energy is still there, diba? So, you're finally releasing that. Or anything na, hanggang ngayon, parang masama loob mo about what happened sa past. This can be sa relationship or sa career path mo before, no? Or sa naka-business partner mo before. You have the Five of Cups and then the King of Cups. Okay, meron ka ng understanding doon sa mga bagay na nawala sa'yo before. Kasi dati parang iniisip mo, ba't parang ako na lang lagi? Ba't parang ganito na lang? Puro problema na lang. Ngayon nare-realize mo na kaya pala pinagdaanan mo yung mga pagsubok na yon sa pera, sa trabaho mo, sa career mo, sa business mo, is pinapatatag ka. Ayan o, with the King of Cups, you now understand. You're now open to new opportunities. With the Eight of Swords, merong mga I feel like hindi ka na nakikinig sa mga bulong sa tabi-tabi or yung mga sinasabi ng ibang tao sa'yo. Dahil alam mo na hindi maganda yung kanilang impluwensya sa'yo. So, you are walking away from that. And you're focusing on your expansion, you're focusing on your growth sa trabaho, growth sa career mo, growth sa business mo, and also collaboration, working with other people. Ayan. Savings plan. So, meron kang i-create na savings plan. Ito yung talagang magiging seryoso ka sa iyong pag-iipon. Hindi yung, kunyari, mag-iipon ka ngayon, tapos next month, gagastusin mo. So, hindi yun pag-iipon, no? Professional growth. So, you will continuously grow your business, your career. Mapapansin mo yan na let's say may business ka, mas dumadami yung mga clients mo or yung inventory mo, yung income mo. Ayan. And also magiging maingat ka rin sa mga spendings mo, no? Mindful spending. So kumbaga alam mo kung saan pumupunta yung pera mo. At alam mo rin kung ano yung magiging benepisyo mo or benefits mo doon sa mga pinagkakagastusan mo. At alam mo na meron tong magiging mabuting or magandang balik sa'yo if ever na pagkakagastusan mo ang isang bagay. Okay? So, that is your reading, Capricorn. Thank you so much. See you again.